आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सॉल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
In this question, we are told that k is constant and we are asked how would we translate this y is equal to x square to get y is equal to x square plus 4x plus k. So, before we go into solving these questions, let us just know the translation rules. Rules of translation for function f of x. So if we translate this function left by h units, it becomes f of x plus h. If we do right by h units, it becomes f of x minus h. This is as when we are translating the function left or right, we are actually translating it in the x direction, and since left side in a quadrant plane is positive, we are adding h, and right side is negative and just subtracting h. Now if we do it up by h units, this function f of x, it becomes f of x plus h, and down by h units, it becomes f of x minus h. This is as when we're translating it up or down, it is actually translation in the y direction, and since up is positive and down is negative, we get plus and minus. So now that we have this, let's look at our function. Let's look at both of our functions. Here it is given y is equal to x square. Here y is nothing but a stand-in for f of x. So we have y is equal to x square, and we need to know how would we translate y is equal to x square. How we would translate this y is equal to x square to y is equal to x square plus 4x plus k. So first, as you can see in this function, which was our initial function, all the terms of x are in the square term, as they are like x is being squared, and there is no other terms of x. Hence we must first make this a perfect square, because we cannot have this 4x term unless it is part of a perfect square. So y is equal to x square plus 4x plus 4 plus k minus 4. Here I have added this 4 and subtracted this 4. So now we can make this into a perfect square using the identity which I will write here, which is a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. This is the identity, and here our a is x and our b is 2. So we can write it as y is equal to x plus 2 whole square plus k minus 4. So as you can see, we have done a translation here inside the x term and outside. So there have been both types of translations. So since it is a plus sign, we know that the graph y is equal to x square has been translated up by k minus 4 and it has been translated left by 2 units. If we translate y is equal to x square up by 2 units, we get y is equal to x plus 2 square as, I mean not up, sorry, left. We get y is equal to x plus 2 square because as using this rule, it inside the function it adds up, and if we further translate up by k minus 4, we will get y is equal to x plus 2 whole square plus k minus 4. This was just our working to prove it, and we can see that this is what our function was. Hence we know it has been translated left by 2 units and up by k minus 4. So that actually corresponds to answer C.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।